coconut lovers, come here. What we'll do today is very delicious and practical 5 minutes coconut stars.
Ingredients are instant whipped cream, grated coconut, milk, coconut oil, and vanilla powder. First, mixing the cream with milk. By the way, coconut oil and vanilla powder are not essential, but I think they add more flavor. I'll continue to mix until it solidifies, but in the meantime I'm adding other ingredients. Except grated coconut. I'll add it in last time. Our 5 minutes coconut stars mixture is ready. Now it will rest in fridge for 1 hour. You can also use such a large plate with bain-marie, but I noticed that the chocolate freezes in a shorter time when there is a large area. This is from last time. That's why this time I melt the chocolate in a tiny bowl. After resting for 1 hour in fridge, it's solidified. But if you want it to be more solid, you can add less milk. You can give the shape you want. If you want to make a small treat next to the drink, you can shape a bite. Use your imagination. Now it is melted, and I wanna use another chocolate type, white chocolate. Melting like this is also an option, if the pot you are using is heat resistant. This was waiting for a while, so I wanted to put it on again. I'll cover some of them with chocolates. The reason I use grease-proof paper is that it sticks to the plate when it freezes. Now going to the fridge for solidifying. And I wanted to decorate some of them differently.